Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute Fennec box. So first, you're going to need some paper and something to draw with. First, you're going to draw a circle for the head. After you draw a circle, the next thing you're going to do is draw two smaller circles inside that circle for the eyes. After you do that, this is optional, but you can draw two smaller circles inside the ones you just drew to make it look cute. Like that. Then you're going to color the bigger circle in. The first one that you drew. Like this. You're not going to color these in. This is optional, but you can add eyelashes. After you do that, you're going to draw the mouth. Super easy. Draw it any way you want. Then you're going to draw the ears, which you're going to draw them here and here. They're going to be bigger than normal because it's a Fennec fox, and their ears are pretty big. You're going to draw a big triangle, then you're going to draw a smaller triangle inside that triangle for the ear. You're going to do the exact same thing, but on the other side. A big triangle and a smaller triangle, and a line up here going curving down. After you do that, you can draw a bow or whatever you want. That's optional. You can add any accessories you want, or it can just be like a normal Fennec fox. And then we're going to draw the body, so you're going to go down and curve up. You can go back up. Like that. It's like most of an oval. And then after you draw the body, you're going to draw its front paws. Like this. Then you can draw its back paws here and here. It's going to be most of like an oval. After you do the paws, you can do the tail. Foxes have pretty big tails. And that's it. And now we're going to color it. Alright, I finished coloring my Fennec fox now. This is how it looks. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.